I'm going to make chicken fry today. It's a very simple recipe, so I thought I'll show it how I make it. It goes side with any rice dish or any kurma that I make, so you can try it and let me know. So it's very simple, and these are the ingredients. You're going to have chicken. Today I've taken boneless chicken. I'm going to have chili powder, turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, and this is actually corn flour, a little bit of corn flour to it, and salt to taste. So now I'm going to add the ingredients to it. Ginger garlic, salt, salt is basically on your taste buds, so if you would like more salt you can go ahead and add it. And then chili powder is going to be 2 spoons of chili powder, and turmeric is always just half a spoon of turmeric, and a little bit of corn flour. I'm also adding cumin powder today, so a little bit of cumin powder, and that's it. This is actually basically color that I like to give a little bit of color to my cookings, especially the chicken 65. But if you do not like to add color, you don't have to go ahead and add color. Mix the ingredients well. It's always good to marinate the fried chicken a little earlier than you make the fry, so it's actually tastes really good. So mix it well. Do not have to add water. It's basically a dry rub kind of addition. And it's basically I've already washed the chicken, so it's got a little bit of moisture to it, so the ingredients will stick well with it. Just make sure you add correct amount of salt, because once you fry it, it'll be you cannot add more to it. So okay, now the oil is really warm, so I'm going to add the chicken into it. So the chicken is actually cooking really well. If you see, the color has changed. So we just wait for another 2 minutes and it should be done. So the chicken 65 is actually done. So if you can see, it looks very crunchy and cooked evenly as well. I added very less color so it doesn't look like really red, because too much of color is also not good. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please click on the like button. If you'd like to share it, you can go ahead and click the share button, and please subscribe to our channel to see more recipes. Thank you.